Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're here. I'm back with my G. Big up yourself. You have to support who support you. You have to big up who big up you. Big up yourself. Zonie. Rolling on. Zonie with a track called Rolling On. I've reacted to a few tracks from Zonie already, about 3 of them, I think. Bad artists, you don't know. Bad artists. So, full of lyrics, full of metaphors, full of similes, full of puns, full of everything, dog. You just talented. You see me? So, we're there with Zonie Rolling On. I could jump in on and here with the G. I say. Also, young artists, make sure you do the right and not the wrong. You see me? Reach out. Could do the right. Alright? Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yeah. Zonie. Get activated. Long sleeve black tees, new kicks. When we're stepping out like this, 100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff.
Video clean, my boss. Where you here?
Get activated. Long sleeve black tees, new kicks.
Yeah.
When we're stepping out like this,
Yeah.
100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff. Plus we carry extra clip. Girls be clinging to my wrist. We've been rolling on. Family, stepping out the place, gala come cider. Hungry for we dripping saliva.
I'm just stepping in that place, dog, and we had the talk. I'm gonna touch him and say, I saw that, you know. Watch him. She's getting closer. She's up in my face like blackhead. Yeah? Up in my face. She wanna know who me? Well, she know me already. She just wanna get close to me if I smell it. Cologne me splash on. You don't know. Mortar drain saliva. Pete.
Stepping out the place, gala come cider. Hungry for we dripping saliva. She tell me she don't have no fear. Me fi take it anywhere. She no care be a bus driver.
A bad girl. She said she don't have no fear if you take it anywhere. What? She a bus driver? Are you a bus driver?
She tell me she don't have no fear. Me fi take it anywhere. She no care be a bus driver.
Oh, be a bus driver? No, I'm not. Yeah. The metaphor. Bus driver, doctor, conductor, collect fear. She not have no fear. Get right back. You say, I see what you did there. Smart.
She tell me she don't have no fear. Me fi take it anywhere. She no care be a bus driver. Boss it with the magnum. She's a rough rider. Spread her out like cheer pan veranda.
Spread out. Cheer pan veranda. Yeah.
Boss it with the magnum. She's a rough rider. Spread her out like cheer pan veranda. She say what kind of meds this you under? Tell her the dark green from Uganda. Say she have
Yay!
na meds this you under. Tell her the dark green from Uganda.
She said, what kind of meds you under? The boss say, yo, I'm under the dark green from Uganda. What is the dark green? It's the bomb, baby. And that's your J.
She said what kind of meds this you under? Tell her the dark green from Uganda. Say she have a man but he want blessing. He come before her so she can't leave him.
She have a man but his lack of blessings. Him want blessings. He needs something. He's missing. He's short. He's short. So she want blessings. Not from him though. Because he not nothing to bless her with. Yeah.
Say she have a man, but he want blessing. He come before her, so she can't left him.
A race around. A race around. Mama fi always forward first. And then a gold medal we run first. So mama fi always come first. So, oh yeah, come. Mama run gone left your brother.
Say she have a man, but he want blessing. He come before her, so she can't left him.
Gone.
She love his profile, so we start flexing. French Italian design, so the dark just in. Slim black tees, new kicks. When we stepping out like this, 100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff. Plus we carry extra clip. Girls be clinging to my wrist. We've been rolling on. So me serve her like a waiter till she start tipping.
Bumbo clot, serve her like a waiter, that's when she start tipping. She a tipping it, you know? Yeah, big up the M6. Coop.
Rolling on, so me serve her like a waiter till she start tipping. She falling in love, yo, no stop tripping. Rims step on the highway, chilling, the top missing. But you never catch me slipping, got the fat clipping.
Not because you see me a roll with shorty in the convertible, no roof. You can't catch me sleeping, you know what? Still have it for me. Protect my 3 points, can I go and take it easy.
Step on the highway, chilling, the top missing. But you never catch me slipping, got the fat clipping. I watching me come from, we been bad. Gallivant in them road, yeah, we been chat.
So to the boss, I tell you where I'm forward from, but the North Coast, watch it, to be precise. That's where I'm forward from, so him been bad. He never have no choice, he did half bad.
I watching me come from, we been bad. Gallivant in them road, yeah, we been chat. Them a war over girl where we been off. We been off, that is sad.
When I war over girl when man sex out. Been have. Big up ladies them. Big up ladies them. That is sad though. You can't war over something where we have already and put on.
Them a war over girl where we been off. We been off, that is sad. Black tees, new kicks. When we stepping out like this, 100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff. Plus we carry extra clip. Girls be clinging to my wrist. We've been rolling on. Long sleeve black tees, new kicks. When we stepping out like this, 100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff. Plus we carry extra clip. Girls be clinging to my wrist. We've been rolling on. From me stepping out the place, girl, I come cider. Hungry for we dripping saliva. She tell me she don't have no fear. Me fi take it anywhere, she no care, be a bus driver. Bust it with the Magnum, she's a rough rider. Spread her out like cheer pan.
When them say bust it with the Magnum, she's a rough rider. I mean the condom, Magnum brand, condom. Big up. It can also be the drink as well. You see me? The Magnum tonic wine, the drink. So it's a play upon words there, so.
Bus driver, bust it with the Magnum, she's a rough rider. Spread her out like cheer pan veranda. She say what kind of meds this you under? Tell her the dark green from Uganda. Say she have a man, but he want blessing. He come before her, so she can't left him. She love his profile, so we start flexing. French Italian design, so the dark just in. Slim black tees, new kicks. When we stepping out like this, 100K's up on my wrist. We've been rolling on, smoking high grade spliff. Plus we carry extra clip. Girls be clinging to my wrist. We've been rolling on.
Clot. Roll out my G with no license plate on the back of the car. You know what I mean? Yo, big up a G, big up a J, big up a J. Big up a J. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link to the video to this project down there so you can go check it out, you see me? Another one, bro. Another one. Nice video, clean. Girls them clean as usual. Every girl we put in the video, dog, because always a loss off of them, dog. Like, yo, I don't know. I don't know. It's just me, bro. It's just me. But dog, yeah, me like that one, bro. Me like that one. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Well done for that one, my G. You see me? Big up yourself. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.
Jamaica's worst gamer.